6th of July 2024. We're on our way to Stockbridge, Georgia to look at a Chevrolet van. We're getting off of 316 at Sugarloaf. We're going to go the back way. We're not going down freeways. We're going to go 124 through Lithonia, then down 155. I think that's the way we're going to go, but this will get the new interchange, or whatever you want to call it, 316 to Sugarloaf. We'll come out on 124, be south of Lawrenceville. We'll be switching over to the GoPro Black 10 shortly to get the longer video. Might have to figure out a way to get this van back to arcade if we buy it. It is about 78 degrees, going to 93 today. Humidity was 93% a while ago. I think the dog days of summer are from July 12th through August 6th or something like that. Maybe July 6th through August 12th. We are just about into the dog days of summer. Sugarloaf from the other side going over to 316, but I'm not sure. This may be the first time we got Sugarloaf over to 124 from 316. But either way, we'll have it. figure that out in due time. Very nice drive, though. Very nice summer morning. You people need to come on, merge on. Let me get back over. 4th of July weekend, there've been a lot of police on the road. Get off at 124, we'll go ahead and start uploading this one. See if the other one is uploaded yet. Yeah, it looks like it's uploaded. Just about. Make a playlist, depending on how many videos we get today. We may make a playlist of July 6th. We made one of July 4th. I think we had 4, maybe 5 videos. I think this is Georgia 20. I don't think this is 124. Yeah, this is Georgia 20. Of course, going to Stockbridge, we may ought to go 20 through Conyers. But we're going to go 124. So we'll be turning it off at the next intersection. And we will be going left. We'll be going south. From right here, Lawrenceville is to the right. Loganville is to the left. Grayson to the left. And Georgia 20, if you go to the right, it'll wind all the way across North Georgia and go into Alabama. I guess they still have the Gwinnett County Fair. I think the Gwinnett Fair grounds up here on the right. These new apartments. Gwinnett County is an absolute mess. When we moved out to Gwinnett County, it was a rural utopia. That was in 1972. You had to go back all the way into at least Tucker to find something to eat. If you wanted to left up here. We'll pull over and put this one together. Maybe go ahead and get the other one public. It may not be, it won't be finished processing though, or doing whatever they do with it once it gets to YouTube. Scenic highway, yes, scenic highway. It used to be scenic. Septic highway now. Okay, let's turn this off and wrap it up.